Sitting down here by this lake, a lot of things went through my mind. Should I go or should I stay? And as those memories come back to me, I remember high school days when we would get a bunch of friends.
It's test drive time again. Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a ride in this 1982 Chevy Camaro. This is a Z28 model. Let's look under the hood. It's got the T-top, it's got the 305, and these hydraulics are bad. I'm having to hold this up. So looks like air conditioning is there, power steering, power brakes, and we'll be pointing out flaws on this as we go along in the video here. Detailed pictures, financing, and shipping at maplemotors.com. So be sure to go to that website and check it out. And hit subscribe to get more content from us. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Let's look around the interior. Place your bets. Do you think the horn works? And around. Checking some stuff out here. Back seat. Headliner. Missing the cover on the light there. Start this thing up. Oil pressure's up. Look, it chokes on. Battery's charging. Gas gauge saying full. I don't know how much is actually in there. Engine temperature's on the low side. And man, that tach working over here. Speedometer, I guess it is set up right. Just looked a little weird. We'll be checking it throughout the test drive tilt column. Wipers are not functioning right now. Radio jamming. Blower motor's blowing all kinds of dust out at me. AC is not cutting on. That's hot. We're gonna cut that back off. Windows going up and down. Both sides there. Let's try these power locks. Passenger side's not working at all. This one is a cold-natured car. I know when we first started, I had to pump the gas a little bit, got her warmed up, just enough to pull up here, maybe a minute or two of running, and it started holding its own. Horn, did you place your bets? This horn is not hooked up, it's not working. Okay, let's hit the road and see what else we can find. A little bit of a different spot for you here on that T-top. Of course, you got this little light in the way there. Other than that, I don't know, you look all right. This was starting to idle down on us a little bit. Idle is low on this one. Sounds like it's got a little bit of an exhaust leak. And our seatbelt's not looking so fun over here. You got yours on, right? Mm-hmm. All right. Here we go, guys. Okay. So right off the bat, I can already tell I'm going to have to 2-foot it. Give it a little gas. Definitely going to be 2-footing this one. Smell the exhaust. We're going to go to the gas station, make sure we don't run out. I think the idle just needs to be turned up a bit. But we'll see. Give it a chance to warm up some more. So we're going down the road here. Speedometer is correct. Touched our brakes. They feel pretty good. Back in the throttle. This is no powerhouse. Definitely got an exhaust leak. As far as going straight down the road, nice steering. It feels good. Doesn't feel like that passing gear is hooked up. And ride-wise, it's pretty smooth. Suspension smooth. the idle issues fixed. Maybe the exhaust leak. Should be a decent driver. Little bump here going into the gas station. Nice and smooth. All right, well, we're gonna get about $20 worth of premium fuel. Then we're gonna get some undercarriage shots. Light up the undercarriage good for you. We'll get some outside shots. My boy will help me. He just got his hair cut today. It's gonna be pretty good. All right, I'll be back. Okay, up at the gas station, and my boy, he hooked it up. What'd you do?
I put 5 gallons in it.
All right, is that all it took?
Yep.
Filled it up. He said it started running down the side. Looks like it. So, yeah, a little over 5 gallons. Good deal. That saved me some time. I got us some sweet tea. A little spot in the seat there. Man, I'm a little worried about mine though. I opened it and I didn't feel the top crack. I don't know if it was already open or I just wasn't. I don't know. It'll be all right. Hopefully. So, she's like idling up when you first start it, like the choke's kicking in, and then it idles down. Let me try to not 2-foot it and see what happens. Yeah, definitely gonna die when you don't 2-foot it, so we'll give her another chance here. Just idled up to like 1500 RPM. I don't know, that's gonna have to be adjusted out. A little bit of an idle issue there. But we let them know, don't we, boy?
Mm-hmm.
Let them know. Let's pull over here, get some outside shots. With your help, we'll get some cool outside shots. Let's do it. Good day for that. Let's walk this ride. Anything I see, you'll know about it. Let's get started. Obviously, this is more of a project car. It's in the 7950 range. Definitely needs paint. It's got a lot of chips, so we're just going to mainly look for rust and dents. We'll zoom in on every little bit of damage either way, but I'm not going to point at all the little chips because there's a lot. Look at all the little cracks and stuff. And I do have the hood pop, but it does not hold itself up. Neither does the trunk. They both of them need the hydraulics replaced. Or shocks that go on either side. paint's just really flat. Light scratches up top here from the T-top. They lay it in the bags in the back. Liam, would you like to be my hood prop?
Sure.
Trunk prop for now.
Oh yeah, button.
Does work. Okay. Now come back here and hold it up for me. All right, you got it?
Mm-hmm.
It's a heavy one. Looking around the edges there, a little bit of rust popping up. I think I got you today. This makes my job easier. Pretty cool. Now we can shut her down. I know it's gonna be heavy. Go ahead, let go. You're good. And it's locked. This one doesn't pull itself down. It just shuts. Down this side. Stickers are peeling off. This one's also got scratches on it, laying on the other one, I'm assuming. The seals don't look bad. Over here, definitely needs to be buttoned up. See, it's kind of crumbling inside of that window. And yes, the hood is up. I know I mentioned that before. Scuff there at the bottom. Okay. Go ahead and open her up. We'll look at the interior. We'll start it up. Of course, this one's not going to idle out on its own. We figured that out. Scuffs and stuff in the back here. That's what I was working with before we left. Okay, now I'm able to use it. Spot there. Cracks in the dash. Missing the emblem here. To start it up, just turn a key. And this isn't me not touching the gas at all. That's what it'll do. So that's why I was 2-footing it throughout the video there. Give her a little gas. It's like flooding out. Try again. Just cleared out there. I think it's just got an issue. Pretty clear it does. I'm not moving my foot at all, it's just idling up and down. Does have an exhaust leak on this one. Also, if you want to hold this hood, that'd be great. I'll have to pull the latch. All right, ready, go. This one's heavy. A lot of little chips around the edges. May have got this hood somewhere. Okay, you can let her go. Coming down with it. And it's locked. Alright, we're gonna head on back to the lot. Detailed pictures, finance and shipping, maplemotors.com. We know this is a project car. It's priced accordingly. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to hit subscribe. We've got some other stuff at the lot. You know, that's more on the finish line if you're not looking for something that's more of a project. And it's priced accordingly as well, and you can see all of that information at maplemotors.com. Every test drive video has the description and the price together, so it's all out here on the line. Thanks for watching, guys. Hey, I like you do, man. You got a new haircut today. Going back to school tomorrow. All right, let's roll. You should be driving this one.